Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 6 of 7 days of spring. We're almost done with another collaboration. So, for today, we've got this digital page from Dearjuliejulie, on which we have this big sales receipt, and we have a little calling card and this little card with the flower and the butterfly. And then from Cara Brandon, we have these 3 journaling cards. We have some labels. We have a tag, some tickets, some stamps, and a couple of other little images. So, what I've done is I used the big receipt from Dearjuliejulie and I split it right down the middle and put half on each of my 2-page spread, glued it down on 3 sides, cut little thumb holes, and I basically made little side pockets or side tucks. And then in this one, I used Cara's journaling card. I backed it onto, this was a large project life card that I had, and I just covered the back with some coffee dyed paper. And I made it basically a layered journaling card. I did a little bit of stamping just to give the card a little texture. I put a butterfly on it. I've got one of Cara's images here in the background, one of Julie's over here. I've got a little bit of lace at the bottom and the top, and then a little label from Cara Brandon, inked it and stitched around it. And then that just slides right in there. And then for this one, I did the same thing. I used a Project Life card. Oops, I forgot to sew around this one. I'll have to go do that. Project Life card, put coffee dyed paper on the back. I've got Cara's journaling card, Cara Brandon image. Up here is the calling card from Dearjuliejulie, a stamp from Cara Brandon, a ticket from Cara, and then a little label that I just did some stamping on. Oh, and a little bit of lace over here that serves as a little pull tab for the card. So I'm going to set that aside so I can take it to go sew around it. And then for this one, same thing, a large Project Life card. I did have to cut the card down a bit. Cara's journaling card is here. That's from Cara. I guess all of these are from Cara. The ticket, and then the little tag. I just used a Phillips head screw brad that I had and just left that movable on the top of the card. I thought that was really cute. And again, on the back, I've got coffee dyed paper. I used a bit of the scrap from Cara Brandon's collage page just to cover the brad so it didn't get caught on anything. And inked around it and stitched it. And so those are, along with the 2 little pockets, those are the items I made for day 6. So I hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow will be day 7, and then I will start putting my journal, completely finishing it up, getting it all put together. And until then, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.